I'm at the farmhouse working on the closets. Apparently for the final inspections, I do have to have closet doors installed. I don't think it needed to be. It's more of a trim to me, but regardless, I failed final inspection because, well, one of the things is because of the closet doors. So what I'm doing is using 1x5 to trim out the closet door on the top, obviously, and on the sides, and then I'm gonna trim it out the 3-inch 1x3s here on the sides, similar to what I did to the doors. So I'll show you as I progress. So definitely this is similar to the door frames. Looks really good in my opinion. So I think I'm just gonna hang this door first before I get to the other ones. I did start out by putting a piece of the hardwood floor here so I can come back in. I just wanted to show off my tiling in the kitchen that's done recently. It's all grouted. The outlets are put back nicely. So we're just waiting for the appliances to come. This is where the microwave's going. This is for the stove. I did buy the plugs already because that doesn't come with the stove, just an FYI. And I have a 4-pronged outlet here, and then we're ready for the fridge. Here's the water line, and I got all the pulls put on as well. I don't know if I showed that before. Here's also the tiling on this backsplash. Looks really good. Now back to the closets. It's the one in the bedroom. I had to cut it because it was too long and it was too wide. So as far as this, I'm still gonna have to smooth this out, but this is how it looks like. It's not too bad. And I have one more of these to do. I am back at the farmhouse. I am correcting some failures from the final inspection. One of them is that in the attic, I'm not supposed to have exposed craft-faced insulation showing, so I have to drywall it. That's where the chimney used to be. And I've started this one already. Well, I'm almost done with this guy. And what I did is, because there was no studs that I could actually screw to, I put in some spacers, 2x4 spacers up here and on the bottom on each side. And I put a strap in the middle. So that's what's holding it up. And then on the eave, what I decided to do is do a flat one here and then a triangle here. So I have 2 straps here, which I screwed. These straps are screwed to the existing drywall up here. And then I put the drywall to those straps. And finally for this triangle, what I'm gonna do is I cut a 2x4. I'm gonna lay that on its edge. And what I'm gonna do is from the bottom, I'm gonna screw to it. So it's gonna stay. And obviously that's gonna, I probably should have done it before I put the drywall up, but it doesn't matter. I'm gonna kill 2 birds with 1 stone because it's actually gonna have support for the drywall in the middle here. So that's, to me, it's good. And then I'm gonna cut out triangles to fit right here. The other thing that he didn't like is that on the top, on the ridge side, when they drywalled this back in the days, I guess this side is just too short, so I'm gonna have to do something with this gap. I think they tried to do some spray foam. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to drywall this or if I'm just gonna put a piece of wood here somehow and just nail it to the rafters. So as I said, I'm almost done with this. I think it's gonna look good. I may just foam these gaps in, or maybe I'm gonna mud it. I'm not sure what I feel like doing. So, although I think it's good enough the way it is, being the attic, I just don't want to fail again. So I'll show you when I'm done. I've done both sides. That's what it looks like. So again, I don't know if I'm just gonna foam this or if I'm gonna drywall tape it. I don't know what I'm gonna do. But anyway, that's what it looks like. And then for the ceiling, I can just spray this side to make it complete, but on this side it's where it's short. So that's about 3.5 inches maybe. Oops. So this might be just a matter of putting a strip here. I'm gonna try to do this. And then I can still come around and film more if I need to. I think that's what I'm gonna do. The other failure I had for the final inspection, I had a broken stair that I took out in the basement. And I bought a 4-foot long regular stair thread. It was $17 because I needed something 1 inch thick like the other ones are. And I just screwed it on, and now I'm gonna nail back the risers to cover these gaps to be up to code. This is the last one I had to do for the inspection.